Good evening and welcome to Carter's Shed. In this episode I'm making the... what's it called? Oh yeah, the safety door. I feel that the door is a fantastic place to keep all the safety gear for the shed. It means that the first thing I see when I open the door is a reminder that safety should always be my first stop. I plan to keep things like a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, gloves, hearing protection, eye protection, and any other safety gear all on the back of the door. I feel that the door is an ideal location to keep safety stuff in a small space. As it's the only way in and out, it means that this is the one place that is never going to get blocked off or have something leaning up against it. That means that anything safety related will always be available and easily accessible. Having a fire extinguisher at the exit means that if I needed to use it, I'd be positioned correctly so that the fire would be in front of me and I could step back out of the shed if it was unsafe to tackle the fire. So far, you see me cut out the letters for the door and give them a tidy up to the centre. Next, I marked out where I needed to notch out the framing material so it sits flush on the door. I used a track saw and a chisel to make the notches. Next, I find the size of the screw head so that I can recess the screws into the frame. The masking tape on the drill bit acts as my depth gauge. Now I will tack the breathable membrane onto the door and I can get the frame attached. The notches that were cut assist in getting the upright position correctly. The next step was to get the inside of the door finished off. The 9mm ply got a few coats of white paint to match the rest of the shed. I then created a border using hazard tape. Finally I glued the letters in place. While I waited for the glue to dry, I could get the insulation fitted. This is the same 70mm sound deadening insulation that was fitted to the rest of the shed. Now all that's left to do is screw the ply to the door, in the snow, in May. In the next episode, I'll populate the door with all the safety equipment. Hope to see you then. Thanks for watching and good evening.